Home Remedies presents
How to make your hands look 5 years younger. Wrinkle-free, smooth, fair hands overnight. Our hands require special care because of the damaging effects of frequent washing and constant exposure to the elements. Fortunately, you don't have to spend too much time to treat your hands properly. All you have to do is to try the 2 steps that will make your hands visibly lighter, smoother, plump and soft. The results will amaze you for sure. Here's what you need to do. 2-step homemade remedy for young-looking hands. Anti-aging scrub. Ingredients: sugar, 1/4 cup, coconut oil, enough to make a fine paste. Method: grind the sugar to get a fine powder, then mix enough coconut oil in it to make a smooth paste. Cleanse your hands with warm water and apply the scrub on it and massage in circular motion. Do it for 10 minutes and then rinse off. You will notice that your hands has been polished and all the dead skin has been removed from it. Anti-aging lotion. Ingredients: ghee or unsalted butter 1 teaspoon, olive oil 1 teaspoon. Method: mix both the ingredients and before applying slightly microwave for 10 seconds to make it warm. Now massage your fingers and hands with this warm oil and leave it overnight. Next day, you will notice that fine lines and wrinkles have been dramatically reduced in just one night.
If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.